want to show you how you can hack 8 Ball Pool. I made a new video, and in this video I will show you a real and working website which really generates the cash and coins, and it is not as other videos on YouTube. I opened my 8 Ball Pool account and you can see I have 8 cash and 300 of coins. And today I will show you how you can do it more and how you can get unlimited cash and coins for free. So first step is to go on your browser. Please note that this hack works on Android and iOS. This works for both mobiles. Please let me close the page, and we will should to go on 8 Ball Pool.club. This is the real working website, guys, so be sure that you are going here, otherwise the hack won't work. This is the only working website on YouTube. Others videos are faked. 8 Ball Pool.club. Okay, go. Enter your Facebook username or your ID in 8 Ball Pool. I will join with my Facebook. Let me join in. Let me enter my Facebook ID. Select platform. It works on Android and iOS. I have an iOS. Enable encryption and connect. Okay, it's connected. Here we should choose amount of cash and coins. You can add as much cash and coins you want. I'll select this one and this amount, and we'll touch generate. Okay. And here we have a short verification which you need to do. We have to download 2 free apps, then run each app for 30 seconds to verify your device, and then we'll restart the game. We'll touch verify now, and we will have to install 2 apps and keep opening every app for 30 seconds to prove that you are not a bot. Okay, I will download 2 apps and will run every app for 30 seconds. Please let me download. We'll download the apps. Here it's will start to download it. Okay, the game is downloading, and we'll go back and we'll download second app too. Open, download, and now we have to go in every app which we have downloaded and stay in those apps for 30 seconds. You have only to stay in this game. For 30 seconds. Please let me do it. Okay, 30 seconds are gone. We'll go to second app too. Low. And we'll stay in this app too for 30 seconds to verify my device. Okay. And this is wall. We'll close wall page Okay, I will go to 8 Ball Pool because my game was successfully hacked. And what I say, this is true. This is really true. As you can see, the coins and cash are loaded, and I selected the amount of the cash which I saved. This is brilliant. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.